Have you ever set a goal or maybe a New Year's resolution and then failed at it? I'm Jackie Almer, and welcome to my Peak Performance Intermittent Fasting Fast Start Checklist and Resource video series. My goal is to provide you with the information, tools, and concepts that you can use to go out and research and get all of your questions answered to see if intermittent fasting might be right for you. In this video series and guide, I'm going to give you a simple way to start, track, sustain, and ultimately figure out if intermittent fasting is right for you and what the right method of doing it is going to be for you, because it's not a one-size-fits-all. There are no right or wrongs. There's no messing up. There's simply figuring out what works best for you. So today, let's cover a simple answer to how to set and get your goals. This is the best place to start for everything because it all starts with why. We've heard that before. Simon Sinek said it best. And a strong reason for trying intermittent fasting, starting it, and at least allowing 30 days to pass before you make a decision is what's going to help keep you on track. So it doesn't take a whole lot. Simply decide for yourself, first and foremost, what do you want to accomplish? Is it weight loss or fat loss? Maybe to get back into those skinny jeans? For me, it was a pair of skinny white shorts. Hormone balancing, better sleep, to create fat adaptation, as I discussed in the last video, in your body. Again, there's no right or wrong. It's personal to you. But here's one really exciting thing about the whole process. Chances are you will accomplish all of these to some extent over time just by starting and committing to the process of intermittent fasting and figuring yourself out. Now, as I've shared in previous videos, most of my symptoms are now completely gone. And when something does crop up, whether it's sore or stiff joints, maybe restless sleep, I can often immediately know why. I can look back, reflect back, and based on something in my food and eating protocol, or maybe something in my environment, even negative thinking, this is often what has me derailed, and I can almost immediately go to it. And by being aware and adapting, that's what allows me to get very quickly back on track. So that's the biggest thing I want to encourage you to do. Get out the guide. And if you don't have it, go to peakperformancehabits.com/IF as in intermittent fasting. Get that guide, and it's going to walk you through this entire video series and allow you to set some of those goals for yourself. And as always, I love your questions, comments, and feedback. Please leave them below. Share with us what your goals are, and let us help cheerlead you on to success. I'm Jack.